What's up? Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road they are constructing here in Bundung, Borehole, the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, before wasting my time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you how this new road looks. Yeah, as you guys can see, guys, I'm currently in Bundung, and those are the peoples who are doing the road construction here, and this is one of their machines they are using to do the road construction. So guys, the thing is, like, it's rainy season here, as you guys can see. So guys, the thing is, like, it's rain season here, but still now road work is going on, as you guys can see. The last time I have been here, they only put the gravel here. Right now, as you guys can see, this is how it looks, and this is how this neighborhood of Bundung looks. Yeah, I'm walking towards the Bundung Borehole market. Wow. So guys, this is how the drainage looks here. Yeah. Guys, this is what is going on here in this part of the Gambia called Bundung. Yeah. This is the real life here in the Gambia. Wow. One of the Amazon is coming. Guys, that's one of their machine. That's one of their machines that they are using to do the construction here. Wow. Heavy road work going on here. As you guys can see, a heavy road work going on here. Guys, I'm almost at the market, the Bundung Borehole market. Yeah. So guys, over there is the so guys, that's the market I'm talking about, a local African market. These are commercial vehicles, as you guys can see. Wow. So muddy out here, and I don't want to get into the mud. So guys, this is what's going on here in Bundung Borehole, and then I'm walking towards Serakunda, but I will end this video before reaching at Serakunda. Yeah, as you guys can see. Wow. What? That young boy is like, I haven't eat I want to buy a bread. Can you help me with something? Alright viewers, this is Bundung. Guys, the thing is like they are doing this road construction in rainy season, so wow. Guys, I'm still in Bundung. This is Bundung for you. The Gambia is developing. The government is trying its best by constructing many new roads. Yeah, they are really trying though. The last time I've been here, I filmed a video concerning about this road. They only put the gravel here. Apart from that, nothing. The Gambia in rainy season. The Gambia in rainy season is something else, especially like last night it rains. Just take a look. Wow. Hope you guys are enjoying what your boy is getting for you here. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Bundung, the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace.